following message is transmitted at the request of the Cove Police Department. A truck has stopped on the intersection of Alder Street and Jasper Street in Cove, Oregon. After 10 minutes, 2 men stepped out of the truck and have a biological weapon located in the truck. Police have not found out what the weapon is yet, but the men state that they will release the weapon if their demands are not met. This is turning into a dangerous situation. All citizens in Union County should stay indoors, lock all windows and doors, close all shades, and listen for all later statements throughout the emergency alert system, news broadcasts, NOAA weather radio, and internet resources. An administrative message from the Cove Police Department. After much negotiation, the biological weapon was not released, and the men were put under arrest. The truck is being taken to an undisclosed location. All citizens in Union County may now return outdoors and resume normal life. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Center for Disease Control and Prevention along with the Oregon Office of Disease Prevention and Epidemiology. This is not a test. A yellow fever outbreak is occurring in the following counties: Union County, Oregon; Wallowa County, Oregon; Baker County, Oregon; Umatilla County, Oregon; Brent County, Oregon; Idaho County, Idaho; and Walla Walla County, Washington. This yellow fever outbreak is believed to occur during a biological attack that occurred at Cove, Union County, Oregon. Authorities believe that was prevented. It turns out the 2 men actually did release a biological weapon, which is the yellow fever occurring now. To prevent the ourself from being infected, take these steps. Avoid contact with the infected. Wash your hands frequently for 20 seconds with warm water and soap, and limit your time outside. Some vaccinations are being conducted for free at some public places. Symptoms of yellow fever include jaundice, headaches, muscle aches, decrease of need to urinate, comas, seizures, vomiting blood, heart dysfunction, delirium, and bleeding. If you exhibit any of these symptoms, do not panic. Panicking will only make this situation worse. Drink plenty of fluids, get lots of sleep, and fresh air. You should also schedule an appointment to visit your doctor. While the death toll from this epidemic is low, you should still be vigilant and report any case of yellow fever to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention at 800-232-4636.